In today's makeup tutorial, we are going to achieve the viral Latina makeup look. It is really very easy to do and it looks sexy and gorgeous. So without any further ado, let's get into it. I've already done my skincare and now I'm applying a moisturizing primer. This one is from Bobbi Brown. Then with the help of an eyebrow pencil, I'm defining my brows. A well-defined and sharp brows is really the highlight of this Latina makeup look. So do not miss doing this one step. I will list all the makeup products that I've used to achieve this makeup look in my description box below, so you can check them out. Next, I am taking a full coverage with matte finish foundation and I'm applying it with the help of a brush. You can see I have got a very good coverage using the Charlotte Tilbury foundation. Also, this foundation has a matte finish which we want for this look. Next, I'm doing contour, which is also very important step for achieving a flawless Latina makeup look, because if you have noticed, they have very defined and sharp facial features. So to achieve that, we are doing contouring to create some shadows and depth on our face. For this, I've applied a liquid contour both on my cheeks as well as on my jawline. Then I'm taking a full coverage concealer and I'm using it to highlight my under eye area, also my brow bone area, and I'll apply it on my cheeks like so. Also, I would like to mention here that for this particular look, I've opted for a foundation and concealer which has a full coverage and also a matte finish. I'm using the same kabuki brush to blend the concealer that I used to blend my foundation. This one I bought recently from Huda Beauty. It blends like magic. So if you are looking for a high-end foundation brush, then definitely you can check this one out. To bake my concealer, I am taking this translucent powder from K Beauty brand. I'll also apply this on my eyelid so as to set my concealer. Next, for my eyeshadows, I am taking this palette from Huda Beauty. First, I am using a light brown shade and with the help of a fluffy brush, I am applying this on the crease of my eyes. Then I have taken a dark brown shade from the same palette and with the help of a thin fluffy brush, I am just creating a gradient effect. I have applied this product in the outer corner of my eyes and I'm merging it with my light brown shade using another clean fluffy brush. Next very important step is to create a big winged eyeliner. So for that I am using this ink eyeliner from Maybelline. Creating an edgy winged eyeliner is one of the key for this look, hence taking my time to perfect my winged eyeliner. Here you can also see me creating a thin line around my inner corner so as to make my eyes look little bigger. Then I'm applying the brown eyeshadow under my lower lash line using a small fluffy brush. For my mascara, I'm taking Double Trouble mascara from Mars. It comes with two mascara wands. So using first mascara wand, I'll apply it both on my upper and lower lashes. Then I'm taking the second mascara wand and I'm applying it only on my upper lashes. Next, for my blush, I'm opting for a muted blush shade. This one is shade Crimson 06 from Forever 52 brand, and I'll just take little bit of the product and I'll apply on my cheeks. For this look, we want a chiseled face, hence contouring plays an important role. We have already contoured our cheeks and jawline, so I'm contouring my nose using a contour pencil from K Beauty, and then I'm using a concealer brush to blend this contour. For my highlighter, I'm taking shade Tropical 01 from Forever 52 and I'll apply it on my brow bone area, on my inner corner, also on tip of my nose, and then some on my cheekbones to highlight it. This has added a beautiful and subtle glow on my face. Then using a makeup fixer to set my makeup. Now let's come to lips. First, I'm contouring my lips using a brown contour pencil, or you may use a brown lip liner. I'm going to deepen the outer corner of lips and thicken the border a bit. For my lip shade, I'm taking this beautiful shade Queenie from Mars non-drying liquid mousse lipstick range, and I'll apply it on the center of my lips, and then I'll use my finger to merge this shade with my brown shade. It is kind of creating an ombre lip look. This is my final look. Tell me in the comment section if this looks anywhere close to Latina, and if you like this tutorial, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, let me tell you, next I'll be posting a soft romantic makeup look, so do press the bell icon to get the notification if you haven't already, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.